At the southern end of our planet lies a frozen continent called Antarctica. It is the coldest place on Earth. Almost the entire continent is covered by thick ice and massive glaciers. In some places, the ice is more than 2 kilometers thick. Scientists believe that some of this ice has been frozen for hundreds of thousands, or even millions of years. Glaciers form when snow falls year after year and slowly turns into solid ice. Over a very long time, these layers of ice build up and trap tiny particles from the past. Inside the ice, scientists can find dust, air bubbles, and even microscopic life such as bacteria and viruses. These tiny organisms can remain frozen and inactive for extremely long periods of time. In recent years, scientists have become concerned about rising global temperatures. As the climate becomes warmer, glaciers and ice sheets in Antarctica may begin to melt faster. If large amounts of ice melt, the ancient materials trapped inside the ice could be released into the environment. Some researchers believe that very old bacteria or viruses could exist inside the ancient ice. In a few scientific studies, scientists have already discovered microorganisms that survived while frozen for thousands of years. This has raised an interesting question. If ancient microbes are released from melting glaciers, could they pose a danger to humans? Stories sometimes appear online about people getting sick after drinking water from glacier ice. One story claims that a girl became seriously ill after drinking melted water from an Antarctic glacier. However, there is no confirmed scientific report that proves this event actually happened in Antarctica. Most experts say that untreated water from glaciers can contain bacteria or other microorganisms, just like water from rivers or lakes. This is why scientists and explorers usually treat or filter water before drinking it. Most experts believe the risk from ancient microbes is probably low. Many microorganisms cannot survive once they leave their frozen environment. They often need very specific conditions to stay alive. Even if some ancient microbes were released, they would still need the right conditions to spread and infect people. Scientists continue to study ice samples from Antarctica to better understand Earth's climate history and the life forms trapped inside the ice. These studies help researchers learn how microorganisms survive in extreme environments. Today, the biggest concern about melting Antarctic ice is not ancient bacteria. The greater danger is rising sea levels caused by climate change. If large parts of Antarctica's ice were to melt, oceans around the world could rise and affect many coastal cities. Antarctica remains one of the most mysterious places on Earth. Beneath its thick layers of ice may lie many scientific secrets waiting to be discovered. As scientists continue to explore this frozen continent, they hope to learn more about the past of our planet and the hidden life preserved inside the ancient ice.